Imagine taking a single shot of aloe vera, and suddenly, something incredible starts happening inside your body. Your heart beats a little stronger, your blood vessels begin to open up, and with each sip, you're fueling a powerful ally in the fight for cardiovascular health. What if this simple, green plant could help lower your cholesterol, support better blood flow, and even reduce your risk of heart disease? Today, we're diving into the science-backed benefits of an aloe vera shot for your heart. Get ready to discover how to use this ancient herb, aloe vera, to get maximum cardiovascular benefits. At the end of the video, we'll reveal some common myths about aloe vera, particularly regarding cardiovascular and other health benefits. Before we dive into this video, be sure to check out my other videos. Want to cure erectile dysfunction naturally? Watch this now, and easy aloe vera recipes that will revolutionize your health. Links are given in the description. Aloe vera has long been valued for its medicinal properties, and some studies suggest that it may positively affect blood circulation, blood vessel health, heart health, and cholesterol levels. Here's what the research says about these benefits. 1. Enhancing blood circulation and vessel health. Circulatory benefits. Aloe vera is packed with compounds like asmannan, antioxidants, and specific amino acids that may boost blood circulation by strengthening blood vessel walls. These powerful components help reduce oxidative stress, protecting blood vessels from damage and supporting smoother circulation. Anti-inflammatory effects. With its strong anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera promotes vascular health by reducing inflammation within blood vessels. This not only helps maintain flexibility in the vessels but also prevents narrowing, ultimately supporting better, more efficient blood flow. 2. Cardiovascular health benefits heart health. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants, including vitamins C, E, and beta-carotene, which may help protect the heart by fighting free radicals and reducing oxidative damage. These antioxidants support the elasticity of blood vessels, keeping the circulatory system clear and lowering the risk of plaque buildup, which in turn benefits heart function. Blood pressure regulation. The fiber content in aloe vera can aid in managing blood pressure by supporting healthy blood vessel function. Aloe vera's antioxidants work in harmony with fiber to amplify these cardiovascular benefits. Some studies even suggest a slight reduction in blood pressure with aloe vera use, which could benefit those with hypertension by indirectly supporting healthy blood flow and vessel health. 3. Cholesterol management. Cholesterol-lowering fiber. Aloe vera's soluble fiber can help reduce cholesterol by binding to bile acids in the intestines and expelling them from the body. To replenish these bile acids, the body uses cholesterol, which may lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels in the blood. Reducing LDL, bad, cholesterol. Research indicates that aloe vera may lower LDL cholesterol. A 2012 study showed that orally administered aloe vera gel could reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels in rats, possibly by decreasing lipid absorption and enhancing fat breakdown. Boosting HDL, good, cholesterol. Some studies suggest that aloe vera can increase HDL, good, cholesterol, which helps remove LDL from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of heart disease. Underlying mechanisms. Aloe vera contains sterols and polysaccharides, which may help lower cholesterol by blocking its absorption in the intestines or promoting its breakdown and removal. 4. Aloe vera and blood sugar regulation. While not directly tied to blood circulation, aloe vera has shown promise in helping regulate blood sugar levels, an essential factor for cardiovascular health. Keeping blood sugar stable can protect blood vessels and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. Research among the Indian population indicates that aloe vera may be particularly effective in managing type 2 diabetes, showing greater effectiveness than some other treatments. 5. Supports weight management. The fiber in aloe vera promotes a sense of fullness, which can help curb overeating by slowing digestion and reducing appetite. This aids in weight management by supporting better portion control and balanced digestion. Aloe vera's fiber content also helps stabilize blood sugar, indirectly contributing to healthier weight maintenance over time. 6. Detoxification and skin health. Aloe vera fiber aids in effective waste elimination, supporting skin health by promoting detoxification through regular bowel movements. By reducing toxin buildup, Aloe vera can enhance skin clarity and help alleviate inflammation-related skin issues, promoting a clearer, more radiant complexion. How to use aloe vera for cardiovascular benefits. Aloe vera can be used both orally and topically. However, the effects tend to be slightly milder when applied topically. Oral consumption. Aloe vera can be consumed in gel, juice, or supplement form. Since overconsumption may cause digestive discomfort, consult a healthcare provider before starting. Ingredients: 1 large fresh aloe vera leaf, clean water, optional, lemon juice or vitamin C powder, for preservation. Instructions. Harvest the aloe vera gel. Cut a large leaf from the base of the aloe vera plant. Rinse thoroughly to remove any dirt. Remove the outer skin. Trim the spiky edges, then carefully slice away the green outer layer. Avoid the yellow sap, aloe, which has a strong laxative effect. Scoop out the gel. Use a spoon to scoop out the clear gel inside, avoiding any yellow parts as they may irritate the digestive tract. Rinse the gel. Place the gel in a bowl of water and rinse well to remove any remaining aloe. Repeat if necessary. Blend the gel. Blend the rinsed gel until smooth to create a liquid consistency that can be easily mixed with other beverages. Add a natural preservative, optional, for longer storage. Add a few drops of lemon juice or a pinch of vitamin C powder. Store. Transfer the aloe gel into a clean, airtight container and refrigerate. Use within 1 week for the best quality. Usage. Consume 1–2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel daily, either on its own or mixed into a smoothie, juice, or water. Topical application. For improved circulation in specific areas, applying aloe vera gel topically may provide localized anti-inflammatory benefits, although the effects are typically milder than ingestion. Common myths about aloe vera and health issues. Myth 1. Aloe vera alone can significantly lower blood pressure and prevent heart disease. Fact. While some studies suggest that aloe vera support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation, helping manage cholesterol levels, and promoting better blood flow, it's not a standalone solution for heart health. Aloe vera's effects on blood pressure are generally mild, and it's not a substitute for heart-healthy practices like regular exercise, a balanced diet, and medications when prescribed. Relying solely on aloe vera for cardiovascular health overlooks these essential lifestyle factors and medical interventions. Myth 2. Aloe vera works instantly to heal wounds and burns. Fact. While aloe vera can soothe and support healing, its effects aren't instant. It takes time to reduce inflammation and support tissue repair. Myth 3. Aloe vera is safe for everyone in any amount. Fact. Consuming large amounts of aloe vera can cause digestive issues, especially if it contains aloe, a compound that acts as a laxative. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting a new supplement. Myth 4. Aloe vera gel cures acne completely. Fact. Aloe vera can soothe acne-prone skin and reduce redness, but it doesn't address the root causes of acne, like bacteria or hormonal changes. Myth 5. Drinking aloe vera juice every day guarantees weight loss. Fact. Aloe vera may aid digestion, but it's not a miracle weight loss cure. Sustainable weight loss depends on a balanced diet and lifestyle. Myth 6. Aloe vera can replace sunscreen. Fact. Aloe vera can soothe sunburn, but it doesn't provide UV protection. Always use sunscreen for effective sun protection. Thank you for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.